Alright, what's going on YouTube? This is going to be my first YouTube video on this channel. I don't know what it's going to be called or anything, but I just want to make a video on me putting in my cool air intake on my Dodge Challenger. I bought the K&N 63 high flow air filter. I have all the parts right here. I already put on the rubber thing and everything. I don't know. I've never put on a cool air intake. It's my first time doing it, so kind of just wing it. I'm gonna go off the instructions, see how it is, and give you guys a before and after on how it sounds and what I think about it. So yeah, let me get this. This is how it looks right now. Pretty good. I took off the engine cap over there, but yeah, this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna take this off, put in the new one, and let's see how it is. All right, little update. Just took it off right now. The old one, it's over there. It's pretty simple. Just loosen this up and then loosen some bolts and take off the valve cap. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, this is just updating y'all, and about to put in the K&N over there. So let's get to it. Alright guys, what's up? I just want to give you guys an update on the cold air intake. It's the next day. It got too dark yesterday, so I just waited, and now it just keeps on raining, so I'm having to stop and go. But I already have the tube in there, the heat protection, got the air filter right there. Just have to put that in, and once I put that in, make sure everything is secured, ready to go. I still got the tube to put right here, connect this tube to this right here, and then do the AC sensor. But after that, then I should be able to turn it on and give you guys a little test before and after and how it sounds. So yeah, let me finish this up. Hopefully it stops raining, because it's been raining randomly. Texas weather is bipolar, but what are you gonna do? I'll let y'all, I'll get back to y'all whenever I'm done with this. So yeah. All right guys, just finished right now. Probably in total, I would say it took me like an hour, 32 hours maybe. I mean, this is the first time I've ever worked on a car, literally doing anything to a car. So I mean, I'm pretty proud. Here it is. Just put the cover on the engine right now, and so yeah, let's make sure that's good. Everything's tight. Maybe I could tighten this a little bit more just in case. But yeah, let me get my get my keys, turn this on, and see how it sounds. All right, we got my mom on the back of the camera. Shout out to mom. But so we got everything done. I'm gonna show the before clip right now. Alright, so y'all saw how it sounded, and now we're gonna do the after, and let's see how it sounds. Hopefully nothing blows up.
Especially since I'm back here holding the camera. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me putting on the muffler, the before and after and everything. I did just take it on a test drive with my mom, and it honestly did feel faster. The acceleration felt better. The throttle felt like I was taking off faster. And the thing I saw that improved the most was the miles per gallon. Whenever I was revving it and like accelerating fast on the highway, my miles per gallon usually goes down. But this time it was actually going up, so it should be and it's supposed to improve it, but I didn't know it was gonna improve it that much. So I'm gonna keep on testing it out for the next couple of days and everything. I'll keep on driving it. It's my daily driver. So yeah, I mean, I'm in quarantine right now, so I can't really drive right now, but when I do, I'm gonna have some fun with it, and to see what else happens with it. And if you guys have any comments or anything, share them down below. I don't know if I'm always gonna be posting car stuff. I most likely won't. So it'll probably be other stuff, maybe like reactions, not vlogs, but maybe like some pranks or stuff, because I feel like that would be funny. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys want to see more of me. I'd appreciate it. Give this a like if you liked it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Peace.